Welcome to the Tracksha platform. In this video, we will understand how the alerts and maintenance feature helps you monitor important vehicle activities in real time. To configure alerts, go to the settings section from the dashboard, then select alerts from the list. Here, you can view and manage all the alerts configured for your vehicles. To create a new alert, click on the Create button at the top right. Now select the alert type based on the activity you want to monitor. Tracksha supports multiple alert types such as AC status, geofence, idle, ignition, overspeed, and towing. Let's understand alerts using examples like ignition and overspeed. To monitor ignition activity, select ignition from the alert type list. Enter an alert name so it can be easily identified. Then choose the devices or vehicles for which you want to enable this alert. Whenever the vehicle's ignition is turned on or off, the system will automatically trigger an alert notification. This helps you monitor vehicle usage and track ignition activity effectively. To monitor vehicle speed, select overspeed from the alert type list. Enter the alert name and set the speed limit value in kilometers per hour. Next, select the vehicles you want to monitor. Whenever the vehicle crosses the defined speed limit, the system will send an alert notification. This helps improve driver safety and maintain better fleet control. You can also enable the Receive Alert Notification option to receive real-time alerts whenever the selected event occurs. Once all the settings are configured, click Create to activate the alert. You can also edit existing alerts anytime to update alert values or modify the vehicles associated with the alert. Now let's move to the maintenance feature. Similarly, from the settings section, you can also access the maintenance feature to manage your vehicle service schedules. Go to the maintenance section to view and manage all maintenance records. Here you can see all the maintenance schedules configured for your vehicles. To add a new maintenance schedule, click on the Create option. Next, select the maintenance type based on the service you want to schedule. Tracksha supports different maintenance types such as oil change, insurance renewal, and more. Let's understand maintenance using examples like oil change and insurance renewal. To schedule an oil change, select oil change as the maintenance type. Enter a maintenance name for easy identification. You can define the service based on kilometers or date. Set the service interval or date and optionally configure reminders using the Notify Before options. Then, select the vehicle or device and choose whether the schedule is one-time or recurring. This helps ensure timely servicing and improves engine performance. To track insurance, select Vehicle Insurance Renewal as the maintenance type. Enter a maintenance name and set the insurance expiry date. You can also set a reminder using the Notify Before Days option. Then select the vehicle and choose the schedule type. This helps you avoid missing renewal deadlines and keeps your vehicle compliant. Once all the details are entered, click Save to activate the maintenance schedule. You can view and update maintenance schedules anytime as per your requirements. With Tracksha maintenance features, you can ensure timely servicing, reduce downtime, and keep your fleet running smoothly. Track alerts, manage maintenance, and keep your fleet running smoothly with Tracksha. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Tracksha support team.